Japan Dyno, the best of Japan to you. Howdy, this is Andy of Japan Dyno, and I have for you an HKS super sequential blow-off valve made by the HKS company here in Japan. The super sequential blow-off valve, a very famous blow-off valve, removed from a Japanese Ran-Ebo 6, a Lancer Evolution 6, the CP9A type, Lancer Evolution 6. The flange here, good for any of the Evolution vehicles, and also the same flange used on the Corky S14 and S15 Nissan Silvia vehicles, and in good condition, good 100% working condition. A few little marks and stains, as you can see in the photo here. The flange, the blow-off valve. We'll go to some closer shots. So the okay, let's go to the other side of the unit there. You can see again a few little marks and scratches and some stains on the back of the unit, but 100% working condition. The super sequential blow-off valve is a diaphragm type blow-off valve. Has a diaphragm in the center here. The diaphragm is pushed on by the boost pressure from below and pulled on by the intermanifold vacuum, which connects to this nipple here. When the combination of the two are enough to move the diaphragm against the spring, which is in this area here, then the diaphragm will flutter, pulling a piston, which will then release the boost pressure through the front trumpet of the super sequential blow-off valve here, creating that very distinctive super sequential blow-off valve sound. So a Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution super sequential blow-off valve in great 100% working condition. And the back of the valve here, we can see the diaphragm housing here, the spring housing, and the bolt on the back is a tensioning bolt that you wind it in and wind it out to change the tension on the spring. So a universal adjustable type blow-off valve can be used with any turbo vehicle, adjusted by winding in and out the bolt and then locking it in place with the locking nut. Flange there for the Evolution vehicles, also for many other different vehicles, and if it's adapted, it can be used with any turbo vehicle. The front of the unit here, we can see the valve. This is the valve here, which gets pulled back and forth by the diaphragm, releasing the super sequential blow-off valve sound from the front, from the trumpet here. So a very attractive item, as you can see in the photo here. Very good condition, 100% working order. The HKS super sequential blow-off valve, made by the HKS company of Japan, made in Japan, from Japan. Thank you. In order to serve you better, we have our website at www.japandyno.com, as well as our blog, the Japan Dyno Daily Fix, where we feature items of special interest. Look forward to seeing you there.